Hello everyone, welcome back to MoneyWise AI, your guide to global markets and smarter investing. And today we're diving into a super interesting topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately. Why should you consider investing in India's stock market? Let's talk about it. First off, why India? India is currently one of the fastest growing economies in the entire world. Think about it. You've got a young population that's becoming more digitally connected every day, and a government that's pushing through a ton of reforms to make the country more attractive for businesses. According to some analysts, India is on track to become the third largest economy globally by 2030. That's a huge projection, and it means that investing in India's stock market now could be like boarding a rocket ship to the future. Next, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or maybe the tiger in the jungle. Some parts of India's stock market are definitely overvalued, especially when you compare them to historical averages. But here's the thing. Investing isn't just about buying the cheapest stocks out there. It's about finding the right balance between price and potential. So while some sectors might be overvalued, others are still trading at pretty good prices, which offers us some amazing opportunities. Let's have a look. When it comes to banking and financials, India's middle class is growing faster than any other country. More middle-class people means more demand for loans and financial services. So banks and financial companies could really benefit from this trend. Then we have infrastructure and real estate. India is going through a massive urbanization boom. People are moving to cities, and that means a lot of new construction and infrastructure development. Companies involved in building materials, cement, construction, and real estate are set to see long-term growth. Next, pharmaceuticals and healthcare. India is already a major player in producing affordable medicines for the world. As more countries look for cost-effective healthcare solutions, Indian pharma companies will continue to shine. Also, technology and IT services. While Indian tech companies are not as expensive as their counterparts in the US, they still have a lot of potential. Many of these companies serve global clients, and they're well positioned to keep growing. Lastly, renewable energy. India is betting big on solar and wind power. The government has ambitious plans for clean energy, and this creates exciting opportunities for companies working in the renewable energy space. Now that we know the sectors, let's take a look at some examples. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. So do your own research before making any investment decisions. First, HDFC Bank. It's one of India's leading private banks, and it has the potential to grow significantly in the coming years. Next, Infosys. It's one of India's leading IT service providers with a strong global presence. Compared to US tech giants, it's still reasonably priced. Sun Pharma is another great example. It's one of India's most dominant pharma companies and is expanding its global reach. Then we have NTPC. It's India's largest power company and is actively shifting its focus towards renewable energy sources. Finally, Adani Ports. This company is a key player in India's infrastructure, especially in ports and trade. With India's growing economy and the government's push for trade liberalization, Adani Ports is well positioned to benefit. These 5 companies represent various sectors that are poised for growth in India's dynamic economy. But why invest in India now? Well, when you look at the bigger picture, India's demographics, its ongoing digital revolution, and the government's commitment to reforms and infrastructure development make it one of the most exciting emerging markets in the world. Global investors are taking notice, but compared to stocks in the US or Europe, many Indian companies are still undervalued. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about global markets and smarter investing, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Every week we'll be diving into different topics that can help you make smarter investment decisions. So don't miss out. Stay tuned and join our growing community of smart investors. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy investing.